Beach. Like I was saying, on South Beach, somebody tried to sell me some AirPods. Don't really have the AirPods. But I don't even know if you can hear me, but if you can hear me, we on South Beach. Got some hookah. And while I'm here for day 3 at the Urban Film Festival, can you believe who I ran into? Wataguan, everyone. I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute, but today is the big day. Because today we're heading out right now. You see I'm dressed, airport ready, because we're going to Miami for my first music festival, the Urban Film Festival. And I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. Guys, just made it through baggage claim. Now about to head over to my gate. Holla at y'all when I get to the gate.
Can't wait to see my name in all those flashing lights. Can't wait to see my name in all those.
Alright guys, so we're about to board now. We're on the plane, and I'll catch you in Miami.
My name in all those. Can't wait to see my name.
Ooh, you see me. This is what we wearing. Sheen shirt. Got my crystals on deck. Kappa pins. Got the dress shoes. No socks, because we keeping it very clean today. Yes, man. First day, day 1. I'm not going all out with the outfit. You're going to see what I'm wearing tomorrow. Day 1, let's go see what this Urban Film Festival is looking like. I'll see you in a bit.
Hey, wait to see my name in all those. Fuck all your feelings. I ain't never been a part of a killing, but fuck it, I'm ready and willing. Cause I'm about to blow through the ceiling. Make it up out of this hell, that's on gang, and you know that I fuck with the realest. Some of my niggas is lions, but some of my niggas gorillas. Some of my niggas is trappers, but some of my niggas is killers. Like most of my niggas are rob you, but some of my niggas are kill ya. I swear I've been dealing with stress for a long time. I swear that you with me and left at the wrong time.
So, just leaving happy hour now. Didn't really video, but as you can see, nice place, nice scenery. About to head over to the building now and see the first show of the day. So see what that's looking like. I'll let you in a bit.
I just been wondering, like what have you done to me? The feeling ain't never been comforting. I wanna know, why do you run from me? I guess that I wasn't enough. I guess that you don't give a fuck. I guess that it's over and done. I guess I've been down on my luck. I cruise control that new whip with that blunt lit in my left hand. That right hand is all on you while my knees steer through that right bend. Guess we wrote the wrong story.
So the red carpet is packed. Didn't really get to walk in for the first movie, but we here for the screening of the first movie. About to see what that looked like. I'll catch you in a bit. Let's see what we're looking at. It's the VIP section. VIP beds. VIP. Last night was real. Day 1 was kind of interesting and fun. But today's my movie showing. Day 2, let's get going. Day 2, waiting for the shuttle bus to take me to the theater so we can go see my movie playing at 1:55. Got my movie poster ready to go. Urban Film Festival, man. Premiere coming up. Day 2, let's get it. We're here. About to go upstairs now, see what it look like. Let's go get it.
Was that Marley?
So was she here yesterday?
Did you not hear anything that I just said?
You mean you compared the matters and the sicknesses going on in the world to your sex things? I heard a lot, but yeah, I heard nothing about Brianna's family.
I heard nothing about the officers in question either. Maybe that's what we should be discussing right now.
No, I would rather discuss whose my black souls belong to and when were they last seen.
How did I end up with a girlfriend because of a pot?
Alright, Lorenzo. I'm doing great today. today. Thank you so much for your submission. Can you tell us where you're based out of?
I'm actually from New York, Queens, New York. I'm living in Long Island right now. New York City.
All right, New York in the house. Okay. So you came to Miami for the festival today. Thank you so much for coming. We're so glad to have you. And then what year did you make Quarantine in?
Yeah, just finished premiering my movie. Felt good, man. I got some good reception from it. You heard the people talking about it. And now I'm about to go head back over to the festival, check out some of the panels. They got a distribution panel going on. We're gonna see what's going on with that. And then we're gonna watch some more films and walk the red carpet. I'll let y'all a little later.
Somehow made the right end. The dark spaces enlightened. All I needed was the right pen. Free my brothers up out the jail. Fuck court dates and indictments. How you gonna?
James, I'm from New York and premiering and promoting my film Quarantine and that I wrote, directed, and I'm starring.
Punish a nigga for the wrong ways to do the right shit. Like how you gonna lock Magic up when he was just trying to feed his kids? And how you gonna lock Riot up, but I'ma hold it down the whole bit. H.
Can't wait to see my name in all those flashing lights. Can't wait to see my name in all those. Can't wait to see my name in all those flashing lights. Can't wait to see my name in all those. Can't wait to see my name in all those flashing lights. Can't wait to see my name in all those. Can't wait to see my name in all those flashing lights. Can't wait to see my name in all those.
Miami. So, bittersweet. Just checked out my hotel, waiting for my taxi now to take me to the airport. It's a good trip, man. Got to have my first movie showing here in Miami at the Urban Film Festival. I want to shout them out. Definitely an experience. Definitely looking forward. Can't even talk right now. Looking forward to more of these. But right now, I'm just ready to get back home and get to work. Got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of work to do. But I'm ready. But sitting here reflecting, and before I end this video, I want to definitely give a thank you to my auntie Karen. I don't think this trip wouldn't have been possible without her, so I definitely want to give her a big shout out. Big shout out to my auntie Karen for helping making this trip possible. And some other people who, popped up along this trip and made this an enjoyable, memorable experience for me. An experience that I'll never forget. So thank you to them as well. This was a fun, surprising, but fun trip. And even though I don't want it to end, I'm ready for it to end because I'm ready for the next one, man. Atlanta's next. Atlanta's next in a couple weeks. Stay tuned for that vlog because we're gonna do it even bigger in Atlanta. Like I said, it's time to get home and get to work. All this showed me was that I got work to do. I got a lot of work to do. I'm proud of myself. This is an accomplishment, but we got work to do. So stay tuned because we getting to work. But I'm gonna relax and wait for my taxi. Then go to the airport, work on some scripts, and I'll holler at y'all in the next one, man. This was fun. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I did. Can't wait for y'all to see the movie. Stay tuned. And if y'all want to get more information on the movie before I go, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Guys. And if you enjoyed this vlog and you want to see more of these vlogs, because more movie premieres are coming up in the future. We do have somebody dragging something, but it's all good. But guys, if you do want to see more of these vlogs in the future for these movie premieres, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'm going to be bringing them all to you. But it looks like it's my time to go, so I'll holler at y'all in the next one. And while I'm here for day 3 at the Urban Film Festival, Can you believe who I ran into? My ex. So now we out to dinner. We're gonna see how this dinner goes, and I guess we'll see what happens. I don't know. We'll see. Talk to y'all in a bit. On the beach. Don't even know if y'all can see me. It's kind of dark. But you know I couldn't be in Miami, touch South Beach and not hit the beach. It has some celebratory medicine. Kids don't do drugs. But I'm enjoying life right now, man. I'm feeling good. It's a good moment for me. It's been a good weekend. And yes, Tina did come to the beach with me. After dinner, we're gonna walk on the beach for a little bit. But I can't lie, man. I'm on a high right now. And it's not the medicine talking, I'm really on a high. I'm feeling real good. South Beach, Miami, Urban Film Festival. This is the first one. We got more to come. Atlanta's next. But
You wanna have sex on the beach?
okay, I gotta go, guys. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
So you can't expect me to go all night and make you go out.
Yes, I can.